Welcome to this video. We are going to look at simple pendulum exam question. For online classes, here is the number. Pay, register, and you start learning. Question. A simple pendulum swings between A and C. If it takes 4 seconds to swing from A to C and back to B, calculate the frequency of oscillation and the period. Alright, so this is previously tutor at Advanced Learning Academy. So we have the first thing that we need to understand is that there are 4 quarters of oscillation. So the first quarter is when it goes and goes there, coming back, coming back. So there's 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is when it goes back there. Okay, but I'm not going to show it. So we can see that we know that there are 4 quarters. Tell you 4 quarters. But how many movements have been made? 1, 2, 3. Meaning 3 out of 4 have been made, which is 3 quarters, right? Meaning 3 out of 4 have been made. These are the oscillations when it comes to a simple pendulum. Meaning 3 out of 4 oscillations have been made. Okay, so if we need to find the frequency, which is given by number of complete oscillation over time taken. So the number of complete oscillation is 3 over 4. Now 3 over 4 is the same thing as 0.75 if you divide 4 into 3. And the time taken here is 4 seconds. So let's gather here and let's now do the division together. Okay, so I have 0.75, I divide by 4, I'm getting 0.1875. I'm getting 0.1875 Hz. Now I don't want all this longer number. I'm going to reduce it to my normal significant figures. So I can just say this is I'll just say 19 Hz. That's all. And if I want to find the period, okay, I know that period is given by time taken over number of complete oscillations. Or I can just say period is equal to 1 over frequency. Whichever formula you use, you are fine to go. Since you know the frequency, right? Just say 1 over, I'll use the first one which I used, 0.1875. It's fine, even if you use 0.19. The answers will be very close. 0.875. I'm getting like 5.3. Remember that period is measured in seconds, right? Correct. Even if I use 0.19, I'm still getting 5.26, which will still be, remember a 6 seconds, still get a 1 and add to 2, which will give me 5.3 seconds. So you have it covered, my friends. Now you understand. Thank you. Good.